this side. So I have seen a lot of people ask in a lot of places how to add GIFs to Kajabi emails. So I wanted to do a quick tutorial to show you exactly that. So I'll show you what's the mistake that happens when we try to embed the code that any of these GIF providers give us, and what is to be done instead. So for example, if I have to add this GIF in my email, what we normally would want to do is we would want to copy the embed code, which is this, and then go into our email system, and then go into source code, and then paste that code. So what happens is this, it looks good right now, but a few things happen which we don't want. We normally wouldn't want VR Giphy over here, and all these things come up. And when we click save and continue, there is another problem that happens. Let's look at that. Just give it a minute. So sometimes this happens that the the code doesn't work at all. Like in this case, right, we only see VRGFree and nothing is working. So there is a workaround in this, which would be that we need to go to this, go and choose the GIF we want, and then click and save image as an image. We should save it as an image, and then we have to upload that image as an image inside the Kajabi platform. So what we could do is we could just save this as an image again, because it just okay. So it's happening. So I'll just I put it in Giphy download. I can just mention New Year and click save. And now we go to our email provider. In this case, it is Kajabi, and we'll try to add. We'll remove this piece of code from here because this doesn't really work the way we wanted it to. So we'll just remove this, and instead we'll upload an image. I'll just pick up the image that I have added. So we need to see all files, because that's a GIF. It's not an image. So New Year GIF, and we can upload this. And when we click save and continue, those issues that we were facing do not happen in this case, right? We'll just see. So we just have the GIF and no other issue of the Giphy, thing popping on and this not working. So I hope this helps you. Bye bye.